Welcome to Coding Classic. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn how to move an object horizontally as the movement of the image on the screen. We achieved this using CSS animation. Before we begin, if you are new here, kindly subscribe for more videos. Let's begin. Here is our HTML file. Here is the image we are using. Here is our CSS. To make the image move horizontally, we have to add animation with keyframes. Adding animation, which I will explain later. Then adding keyframe, which I will also explain. The keyframe will be from 0 to 100%. Time to explain. This is a name used to link the animation and keyframe. You can name it anything. I name this as slide. Looking at the keyframe, you will see the same name slide, which shows the linkage between both. 3s means 3 seconds. This is the duration of the animation is 3 seconds. You can change it depending on how fast or slow you want the object to move. Linear means the animation progresses at a constant speed with no easing effects. The infinite means the animation repeats forever, non-stop. Alternate means the animation moves in alternates direction. After going from the start state to the end state, it reverses back to the start. Coming down to the keyframes rule defines the slide animation. It specifies how the element style changes during the animation. This means that, at the start of the animation 0%, the element is positioned at its original location. This means that, at the end of the animation 100%, the element is moved 400 pixels to the right along the x-axis. Hope you learned it from this video. Kindly like and drop a comment. Thank you.